Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how you can set fingerprint lock on your Infinix phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So friends, to set up the fingerprint lock, here you can see the setting option. Just click on setting. When you move on the setting, here you can see the search setting option. You can search for the fingerprint here. Neither you can scroll down to security option. Just click on security. When you tap on security, friends, here you can see the fingerprint option. Inside the security, password and biometrics, the second option you can see fingerprint lock. So just tap on fingerprint. When you click on fingerprint, here you can see set screen lock. So just click on set screen lock. When you click on set screen lock, here inside it is you can see here choose a screen lock. So right now you have to select your screen lock, pattern, pin and the password. So from here you have to select any of them the password. Okay friends, suppose here I want to select the pattern, so I select the pattern. After that it says turn off, or the battery should be not below 2%, it should be at least 30%. Okay, after that click on next. When you click on next, you can draw right now the pattern. After you draw the pattern, here you can see on the down is the next option. Just click on the next. Again you have to redraw the pattern and you have to click on confirm. So here again you have to you just select the notifications content. Okay, you want to show the notification outside or inside your lock. Okay, this is the options. Okay friends, I just select the show notification content and click on done. After that, here is the add fingerprint option. So here click on this add fingerprint. After that, here you can see on the side is the fingerprint. So you have to touch your fingerprint, but you have to click. It says to set your fingerprint, please avoid oily. Your hand should not be oily and it should not be dirty. Okay, or it should not be wet. Okay, your fingerprint should not be wet, and your fingerprint should be reader and clean, and it should be enrolled. Okay, so here just click on next. After that, right now you can scan this one or this one as your wish. You can scan your fingerprint, but I'm going to scan my thumbnail. Okay, so here I mean thumb finger, not thumbnail, I'm sorry, my thumb. Okay, so here I'm scanning my thumb. After that, here it says hold a little bit, scan area duplicate please, and here we have completed. It says please lift your finger edge. Okay, you have to lift your finger nicely, then it will be scanned. Here fingerprint information has been saved securely in this system. Finish. So here friends, just click on finish. When you move on finish, here we have added the fingerprint. Suppose I off this one. Okay, suppose I off this screen and I turn on it, but it's not opening, right? See, there is a fingerprint. When I click on the touch, I just touch it. Okay, see, it's too fast, right? See, you can off and you can on. It's looking like you didn't set the fingerprint lock. Okay, so friends, hope you love the video and hope you understand how you can set fingerprint lock on your mobile phone. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.